this person knew exactly every step of the way what to do via text messaging. Previously, the process was some from TA was using their cell phone and texting an employee. So if it was on the weekend and an employee was trying to reach out, we didn't know what was going on. Now everyone knows every step of the way, which is.
Welcome to GraceBlocks Unlocked, where we'll delve into challenges and unlock solutions for our customers using GraceBlocks. In every episode, we'll bring you a unique story, that customer's challenges, and their path to finding a way. Today, we are back on with Melissa Bianchi, VP of HR Operations at ICP Group, manufacturing provider based in Andover, Massachusetts. Last time we talked about open enrollment. Today is onboarding and leave tracking. Let's take a look.
We use GraceBlocks. It's a pre-employment checklist. So as you can see on our pre-employment tracking and salary change requests, we really want to make sure that everyone on the TA team and the HR ops team is aligned and we know when the new starts are. So our TA team will simply come in and add a new record. When they do, they give us all the pertinent information, talent acquisition starts the process, HR ops finishes the process. So this keeps us all aligned. It lets us know throughout the process where an employee is. So it'll tell us whether or not they're in process, whether they've done their background check, whether they've been submitted for processing. We have a means by which to text our new joiners to say, hey, don't forget your onboarding, or hey, don't forget when you're starting. And in addition to that, we have the ability to email the manager to tell them when the new hire is starting and when their orientation is, which is extremely important. These are our templates for those types of things. So your open enrollment template, let's say we've noticed that they have not done their background check. We'll send a reminder via text message for that as well. And school unit text messages here. All you have to do is hit the pound symbol. Again, when you get done with employee, something about their start date. So this communication went back and forth with the employee. Yep, all is well. Thank you for letting us know. And then this person knew exactly every step of the way what to do via text messaging. Previously, the process was some from TA was using their cell phone and texting an employee. So if it was on the weekend and an employee was trying to reach out, we didn't know what was going on. Now everyone knows every step of the way, which is very good. Trouble tracking our workers' compensation and our leave of absences. We have a third-party administrator that we use, and the communication back and forth was challenging between our EHS department, our vendor, our carrier, and our own team. We have now moved all tracking into GraceBlocks, where documentation from our EHS team or our carrier is all in the same area where we're not having to go try to find it. That is very helpful. Because as we know, team members take PTO throughout the year. And if someone's gone, we can easily go in and find out what's going on with any particular record. So as you can see, you have your employees. There's so many documents that come with any type of leave or workers' compensation case. So we're able to upload anything from a PDF document that may have come from your first report of injury all the way to here's your return to work form. And we're able to track that from start to finish. You're also able to upload pictures. If an employee has a picture that they need to send to you, or if an EHS manager has a picture, we upload those as well. We can also categorize it by what location and who's the EHS manager who's assigned to it, so that we know exactly who we need to go to if we have a question. The reason why it's important for location is because we can now use GraceBlocks to be able to track, do we have a higher number of injuries in a particular location in one of our sites, which has been very helpful. We can say we need some more training in our Tampa location.
So Melissa, how many blocks do you guys have at this point?
I would say close to 50 blocks. So it's not even something that you're just putting projects in. It is something that we use every single day.
Every one of those blocks represents a different use case of how GraceBlocks is helping you solve a business problem today.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Anything from your pre-employment and tracking that all the way to your year end. Everyone has tasks at year end, and why not create a block to be able to control all of those and ensure that the entire HR ops team knows what's going on and what needs to be done. So like a RACI chart in there so that we know what our responsibilities are, and a full project list that is assigned to each individual on the HR ops team, and we check it frequently to make sure we're meeting our goals.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, Melissa, I want to thank you so much for giving me the tour today and letting us share what you all are doing at ICP Group. It's truly impressive, and I really appreciate your time today.
Thank you very much. And thank you for a great platform to use. It's very, very, very helpful.
Great. All right. Well, visit GraceBlocks.com if you're ready to start building stellar systems quickly yourself. I'm Mary Grace Hennessy, CEO of GraceBlocks. Thank you for joining today's episode of GraceBlocks Unlocked. See you next time.